Hey YouTube, it's Halon Poisoning. I'm here with a video. This is 5 days ago was my 17th birthday, and I just got this from my dad. It is a mini Simon with the carabiner clip, and you'll notice it looks a bit different than all the other carabiner Simons. I'm not sure why, but package is right here. And one of these days I am gonna get back to posting more videos, but I'm having problems with a lot of my equipment, so I can't really be on that much. But let's go ahead with this little doodad. I am okay at this game. I have my good days with it, I have my bad days. I played a few rounds on it, it kind of kept messing up, but needless to say that I still actually can do some tricks with it. Like, I used to have one, it was a bit bigger than this one, it was yellow, and then before that one, at my old school in the cottages, where some of the kids would stay overnight, I'd just stay there after school sometimes. They had a huge yellow one, and it was two-sided, and I think I got up to like 28 on that. I was about 6. And, needless to say, my average is about 15 on this thing. It just depends. That's what I've concluded my average to be, so let's go ahead and play. Blue. Blue, red. This might be a bit harder because I'm looking through the camera or phone. It doesn't always register. Hope you can hear it when I set it down, it gets quieter. It's getting faster. I'm a bit lost here. Okay, I don't know why it did that. I thought it did it twice, but I don't know. Yeah, this thing can be a bit messed up. My mom was playing with it earlier, and she got and it like didn't read because she was hitting it so fast. So that's the thing about this. I got this again from my dad, and it's a cool little thing. I'm going to show you the little trick I can do with it. I can turn it backwards and play it. Oh wait, oops. Okay, sometimes. There we go. I'm going to show you a little problem with this thing that sometimes will happen. Oops, okay. Here. See, it'll skip, so if you hold it down, so that's why sometimes, whoa, it might sound like I'm hitting it twice, but I'm not really, and if you wait too long, yeah, it'll buzz. So enjoy this little video clip. Eventually I'm gonna fix, like, my computer. My phone even is kind of having issues with its memory. I need to get a whole bunch of stuff off of it, but I need to get some stuff off my computer and fix that thing before I can do that, because I have to put stuff together. But this little video I'll be able to post easily. So, hope you enjoyed it. I don't know where you got this from, but thank you, Dad, if you're watching this. And like I said, you'll notice it is bigger than the other carabiners, but that's okay. I am Halon Poisoning, and I will end this video here. Bye.